Yo guys, this is Ankit Bhagat. In this video, you're gonna know how to use custom or downloaded fonts in your React plus Tailwind CSS project. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, okay, this is my terminal, and here I'll just make a project npx create Vite latest demo. My project name is demo right now, and I will select React and JavaScript. Alright, cd demo npm install. So basically I'm just creating a project. Okay, done. And I'll just write here code. I'll just open VS Code. Okay, this is my VS Code. Okay, just let me zoom it. Yeah, so this is my src folder. I don't need app.css, so I'll just delete it. And app.jsx, I'll just clear it. rfc, this is the basic code. And index.css, I'll just clear it. And yeah, all that. Here I'll just add h1. Hello there. Now what we'll do, we'll just install Tailwind CSS. Alright, so search for Tailwind CSS, go to this website, docs. First of all, npm install Tailwind CSS, this one, copy it and open VS Code, paste it here. Alright, enter. It will just take a few seconds, wait for it. Yeah, done. After that, close this terminal and open the browser. Here copy this one, copy and paste it in vite.config.js file. Here paste it and go again, just copy this Tailwind CSS, here paste it. After this comma, paste it Tailwind CSS, not dot, and after that this parenthesis. Alright, this thing done. And the last thing, this @import, go to your index.css file and paste it here. Alright, this thing you have to paste. Let's see if our Tailwind CSS is working or not. I'll just open terminal, npm run dev, open the localhost thing, just shift it here and go to here. Alright, Control B for hiding this slide. Okay, so this is hello there. Alright, I'll just reset it to 100%. Now what I'll do is I'm just checking Tailwind CSS is installed or not. I'll just text of 5xl. Yeah, it's working. Now let me just change the color. Text red 500. Yeah, it's working. Alright, now what we will do, let's download the font. I'll just go for Salute Riches. Yeah, go to this first site, click it, and here you can see the download button. I'll just click it, download. Alright, it is downloading. Yeah, downloaded. I'll just open my files. Yeah, here I'll just extract it, extract here. So this is my extracted folder. I'll just go into it, and as you can see, this is OTF and TTF file. Inside a public folder, make a folder, fonts, copy this file into your fonts folder. Alright, let me just rename it. I'll just remove the spaces so it will not conflict. So yeah, close this file. Now go to your index.css, and again I will close this here. Okay, first of all, remove this. Alright, this is your localhost site, and here we will just add a few lines of code. Font face, font family. What will the font family? Giving a name, Salute Riches. This will be on quotations. Alright, after that src url. Where is your font? A few seconds ago we saved our fonts over here, right, inside the fonts folder. So yeah, // public folder. Inside the public folder, I'll go to the fonts folder, and inside the fonts folder I'll select Salute Riches TTF. Alright, So this is the basic code, and after that I'll format it to true type. We are taking here true type because our font's extension is TTF, alright. And after that, font weight, normal, font style, not size, font style, normal. And after that, what you have to do is, let's say I want to change the font of whole body tag, then I'll write font family 2. Here we get the name, right? So copy it and paste it here. Our font family is Salute Riches, and this is a which type? Sans serif. Yeah, as you can see, this is changed, right? And let's say here are two tags, all right. Let's say this is h1, and after h1 there is p1, here is p tag, and okay, this is p tag and this is h tag. As you can see, I have targeted here a body tag, that's why the whole thing is on Salute Riches font. If I say like I only want to change Hey There's font, alright, and not these things, so instead of body tag I will just go for h1 tag, right? And as you can see, h1 tag is only targeted, not all. Let's say if I want to change the p tag instead of h1 tag, then what will have to do? Like instead of h1, type here p tag, and as you can see, this is normal and here font is changed, alright. So this was it for this video, and if you found helpful, then do like, share and subscribe, and meet in the next one.